Ladies, I've heard something that I've never heard ever. It says rise, shine, wake up and begin the day with a nail slay. Definitely, that means that, hey, mantombazane, we care about you here on the PhilsDrive, and we know that nails are important to you, making sure that they look clean, they look good, and even nowadays it's so much creativity, and this kind of creativity you can get it at the Ruby Jam with your owner Bonolo Mahape here in studio today, and she'll be telling us why must all these ladies come to you and make sure that they are glowing in December.
Because we're the best in town. It's Ruby Jam on it. Yes.
So, Bonolo, even when we look at like the price range, do you think they will have a lot of change in their pockets?
Definitely, because it's way more cheaper right now. And I feel like I'm just, trying as much as I can to get everyone in and have like a cost effective nails and everything else. So I think, it would be so best.
Well, man, I still love the part that we have. I'm a business owner, abanozwelo, you do understand, towards their customers. Ladies, Bonolo does manicures, pedicures, and she just makes sure that you feel at home and even that you have that special connection, because every time when I have a chat with her, I have that special connection with her. So I hope that you'll be having the same in this month of December and even going forward, because, hey, you can't have bad nails through the whole year. Hey?
Oh, yes.
So, ladies, you can get Bonolo at Zone 7, 𝗥𝘂𝗯𝐿𝐴 Street, and make sure that you make your bookings. DM her. Her Instagram handle is Ruby Jam, but I'll definitely leave all the details on the comment section and also at the on the caption. But remember one thing, that behind every set of beautiful nails is a nail technician with creativity and a heart that vibrates all the time. So, no, guys, make sure you do your bookings on time. Make sure you DM Bonolo on time so that you can get your space and have that comfortable seat where you can just look at your beautiful nails and say, hey, 𝐭𝐤𝐨𝐬𝐧𝐠. Thank you very much, guys. Remember to follow the voice wherever you go.